Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best snow plow shoes is probably one of the most overlooked winter accessories, but trust me, they can be a game changer. Imagine effortlessly gliding through snow, saving your back from the strain of shoveling, and making winter chores a breeze. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of snow plow shoes, exploring their benefits, and helping you decide if they're the right fit for your winter needs. Number 5. KFI Products 105170 Plow Blade Skid Kit. This is the KFI Products 105170 Replacement Plow Blade Skid Kit. It's designed to help you maintain your plow blade. It's a reliable and durable solution for your needs. This product is proudly made in the United States. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship. It's built to last and withstand tough conditions. The model number is 105170. This number helps you identify the exact product. Make sure this is the right part for your equipment. The package dimensions are 10.0 inches long, 4.0 inches wide, and 4.0 inches high. This gives you an idea of the size. It's compact and easy to handle. The package weighs 11.9625 pounds. This indicates the weight of the product and its packaging. It's a sturdy and well-built item. What we like. This kit is built to last, ensuring you get the most out of your snowplow. It's also designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and effort. If you are looking for a reliable solution to protect your plow blade from wear and tear, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits perfectly on my KFI plow blade and provides smooth operation on gravel and uneven surfaces. The heavy-duty construction ensures durability and long life, even in tough winter conditions. Easy to install with all hardware included. Number 4. SAM 130-3005 Snowplow Shoe Assembly for Meyer Plows. This is the SAM 130-3005 Snowplow Shoe Assembly. It's designed to help your snowplow work more efficiently. The assembly is a replacement part for Meyer Plows. This assembly replaces Meyer part number 09126. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. You can rely on it to get the job done. The assembly features a 1.25-inch diameter shaft. This is a critical component for the shoe's function. It's built to withstand tough conditions. This product is specifically designed for use with Meyer C, ST, STP, and HML plows. It's made to work seamlessly with these models. Make sure it fits your plow before purchase. The snowplow shoe assembly is utilized to maintain and protect your snowplow blade. This helps to extend the life of your equipment. It's a smart investment for your snow removal needs. What we like. This assembly is specifically designed for Meyer plows, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal performance. It is built to withstand the rigors of snow removal. If you have a Meyer plow and need a reliable replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. The shoe skids appear to be top quality. They fit perfectly. I have pushed a lot of snow this year and they have worked just as good as the old ones. They are definitely quality heavy-duty shoes, I'm happy. Number 3. RAParts Snow Plow Shoe Assembly for Western, Meyer, Boss, Fisher. Introducing the RAParts Snow Plow Shoe Assembly. This assembly is designed to fit multiple snowplow brands, ensuring a versatile solution for your snow removal needs. It features a 1-inch shaft diameter, providing a sturdy and reliable connection for your snowplow. This ensures optimal performance during operation. The shaft length is 6 to 7/8 inches, designed for proper fit and function. This length is crucial for the assembly's overall effectiveness. With a 6-inch disc diameter, it offers excellent ground contact. This design helps to protect the plow blade and the surface it's working on. The assembly includes 19 flat washers and a linch pin for easy installation. These components are essential for securing the shoe assembly. This aftermarket replacement is a direct fit for several part numbers. It's a reliable and cost-effective solution. You'll receive 2 new aftermarket replacement snowplow shoe assemblies. They are ready to install and get you back to work. What we like. This Snow Plow shoe assembly is designed to fit a variety of plow brands, offering versatility. It comes with all the necessary hardware for a quick and easy setup. If you need a versatile and easy-to-install solution, this is a great option. What people say. Put these on the plow to prevent losing my gravel. Works great. They're well built, durable, simple to take on and off, and they make a huge difference with my unpaved road and driveway. Now I just set it and forget it. With the shoes on the blade ride slightly above grade so it doesn't dig while moving snow. Number 2. DK2 Rampage II 82-inch Snowplow Kit. Introducing the DK2 Rampage II Snowplow. This kit is designed to make snow removal easy and efficient. It's a reliable solution for your snow clearing needs. The blade dimensions are 82 inches by 19 inches, providing a wide clearing path. This size is ideal for efficiently removing snow from driveways and pathways. It helps you get the job done quickly. The snowplow easily slides onto your custom vehicle-specific mounting bracket, which is sold separately. This makes installation straightforward and hassle-free. You'll be ready to go in no time. It features 3 blade locking positions for versatile snow removal. This allows you to adjust the blade to suit different snow conditions and clearing needs. It offers flexibility and control. It's constructed from powder-coated all-steel with UV-protected paint, ensuring durability and longevity. This construction protects it from the elements, providing years of reliable service. The kit includes a wireless electric winch for easy operation. This winch simplifies the process of raising and lowering the blade. It adds convenience to your snow removal tasks. What we like. This snowplow kit features a convenient winch-driven operation for effortless blade control. It easily slides onto your custom vehicle mounting bracket. If you are looking for a snowplow with easy operation and versatile blade positioning, you should consider this. What people say. Wireless winch works great. The plow is beefier than expected for a home plow of its price range. This company has brackets specific to my make and model. The tow hooks come off the truck and the brackets bolt right on. Putting the plow on the truck is as easy as wheeling it up to the truck and sliding in 2 pins. The electrical portion of the plow is pretty straightforward, and the wireless controller is a great perk. Number 1. Stevens Lake Snow Plow Blade Skid Shoe, Set of 2. This is a set of 2 new Snow Plow Blade Skid Shoes. It's designed to fit Moose utility ATV and UTV blades. The set comes with all the necessary hardware for easy installation. The skid shoes are interchangeable with several models. This includes 4501-0702, M91-50021, M91-50023, and M91-50021. It's a versatile solution for your snow plowing needs. The total height of the shoe is 7 inches. It features a 5/8-inch shaft size and a 3-inch shoe width. These dimensions ensure optimal performance and durability. Each set is sold with linch pins, washers, and a rubber bumper. Everything you need is included. This ensures a secure and effective snow plowing experience. You'll receive 2 skid shoes in each set. This provides excellent value and ensures you have everything you need to maintain your snow plow. They are ready to use right out of the box. What we like. This set includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. It's built to withstand tough winter conditions. If you like a complete package that's easy to set up and built to last, you should consider this. What people say. They are well made and fit perfectly. The shoes are easy to install and adjust. They work great and keep the plow from digging into the gravel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.